Before you buy any door security bar, there's one thing no product page tells you: most of them look tough, but fail under real pressure because of cheap rubber feet or weak joints. People don't realize this until someone actually tries to push through. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best options that actually hold up when it matters. Product number 1, Ace Mining 2-in-1 Security Bar. First up is the Ace Mining Upgraded Door Security Bar. This white, iron-built bar caught my eye because it's marketed as both a hinged door and sliding patio door stopper, something not every model offers. At $30.51, it's one of the more affordable options, and with over 8,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly popular. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The bar adjusts from 21 to 46 inches, so it fits most standard doors, and it's built to withstand up to 400 pounds of force. That's like a grown adult throwing their full weight against it. The 3-stage lever system makes it quick to deploy, which is crucial if you're traveling or coming home late. Plus, it only weighs 2.2 pounds, so it's easy to carry in a suitcase or store under a bed. The high-strength alloy joints and fiberglass-reinforced plastic parts add durability without adding bulk. Now, some people complained about the rubber foot slipping on smooth floors if not positioned perfectly. Here's the thing though, this isn't a deal breaker if you take 10 seconds to check the grip before walking away. It's not magic, but it does buy you critical time to react. Just don't expect it to stop a battering ram. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment, travel frequently, or want a backup layer of security for sliding glass doors. Skip this one if you have uneven flooring or need something that works flawlessly on tile without adjustment. For the price, it's a reliable first line of defense. Product number 2, Ririsham Heavy Duty Bar 2-Pack. Next is the Ririsham Door Security Bar, a stainless steel, underdoor mount design that feels noticeably sturdier than the Ace Mining. Priced at $47.05 for a single unit, though listed as a 2-pack, buyer beware, it's pricier, but the material upgrade shows. With 4,000 plus sold recently, it's gaining traction among travelers and renters. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1.57-inch diameter bar can handle 400 pounds of pressure just like the others, but the stainless steel construction resists bending and corrosion better than iron. It adjusts from 17.5 to 46 inches, fitting tight spaces and wider doors alike. The best part? No installation, just wedge it under the doorknob and you're done. Now some people complained about the packaging being misleading, advertised as a 2-pack but only receiving 1 bar. Here's the thing though, if you confirm you're getting 2 before buying, this becomes a great value for multi-door setups. The company does offer a 20-month warranty, so they stand behind it. This is perfect for you if you need something portable, durable, and ready to use in seconds. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need 1 bar. There are cheaper single-unit options. But for frequent travelers or people with multiple entry points, the strength and convenience justify the cost. Product number 3, SEC Ori2MAN 2-in-1 Dual Pack. Now, if Ririsham's single bar limitation bothered you, the SEC Ori2MAN 2-in-1 pack might be your answer. At $45.78, you get 2 heavy-duty iron bars with interchangeable caps for both hinged and sliding doors, making it one of the most versatile options here. Over 2,000 sold in the past month shows it's trusted by homeowners who want flexibility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each bar adjusts from 18.25 to 47.5 inches, and the included caps let you switch between door types in seconds. The angled rubber base grips floors without scratching, even on hardwood or tile. And like the others, it's rated for 400 pounds of force, enough to stop most forced entries cold. The fact that it comes with a user guide and 12-month warranty adds peace of mind. Now some people complained about the sliding door caps reducing the max length to 46.5 inches, which might not fit wider patio doors. Here's the thing though, most standard sliding doors are under 45 inches, so it's only an issue if you have unusually wide openings. For 90% of homes, it works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you have both hinged and sliding doors and want one solution for both. Skip this one if you only need 1 bar or have extra wide sliding doors. But for multi-door homes or Airbnb hosts, This dual pack offers serious value and adaptability. Product number 4, Masterlock 270 EC Folding Bar. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for travelers, the Masterlock 270 EC. At just $22.54, it's the most affordable here, and it folds down to under 4 inches thick. With 1,000 plus sold recently, it's a favorite among budget-conscious buyers who still want trusted branding. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The folding design makes it incredibly compact, perfect for tossing in a backpack or suitcase. It adjusts from 25.5 to 43.5 inches for hinged doors and up to 39 inches for sliding ones. Made from 20-gauge steel, it's not the thickest, but the pivoting rubber grips hold firm without damaging surfaces. And since it's from Masterlock, you know it's been tested for real-world use. Now some people complained about the shorter max length, making it unsuitable for wider doors. Here's the thing though, if your door is under 40 inches, this is more than enough. It's not built for mansions, but for apartments and hotel rooms, it's ideal. This is perfect for you if you travel often or live in a small space with standard-sized doors. Skip this one if you have wide patio doors or want the absolute strongest bar. But for portability and price, it's hard to beat. Product number 5, Kepler 2-Pack Heavy-Duty Bars. Finally, the Kepler 2-Pack Door Security Bars. At $39.49, you get 2 iron bars rated for an impressive 550 pounds of force, the highest on this list. With only 500 plus sold recently, it's less popular, but don't let that fool you. If you want maximum resistance and multi-door coverage, this could be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The larger rubber pad and reinforced iron build give it superior grip and strength. It adjusts from 29 to 45 inches, fitting most standard doors, and the glossy white finish looks clean against modern interiors. The kick-to-tighten design makes it fast to set up. Just prop it under the knob and press down with your heel. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed instructions and vague branding. Here's the thing though, once you figure out the setup, which takes 30 seconds, it works flawlessly. It's not fancy, but it's functional. This is perfect for you if you want high resistance and coverage for 2 doors without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable or travel-friendly. But for home use, especially in high-risk areas, the extra strength makes it a standout. So which one should you pick? The Ace Mining is great for budget dual-door use, Rurisham offers top-tier durability, SECURITOMAN gives you flexibility with 2 bars and caps, Masterlock wins for travel, and Keplerin delivers the highest force resistance. All have minor flaws, but each solves a real security need. Pick based on your door type, budget, and lifestyle, because peace of mind shouldn't be one size fits all.